Accusations of egregious conduct this afternoon in a high-profile murder trial in Duval County. Jose Baez, the defense attorney for Shanna Gardner, called a press conference today saying a detective with the Jacksonville Beach Police Department lied under oath during Gardner's bond hearing in May. Gardner is charged with first-degree murder and the murder-for-hire death of her ex-husband, Jared Bridegan. Bridegan was shot to death in February of 2022 when he stopped to move a tire that police say had been placed in the road. Our Katie Jeffries has been following this case since the beginning and has the latest. Katie.
Well, Jose Baez says he is filing a motion with the court today saying that there have been violations with Brady material, which is material or evidence that would be favorable to the defense, accusing the prosecution of withholding evidence from the defense and saying the lead detective on this case lied under oath.
These things require them to answer to, and the only way we're going to do it is by exposing it and having full transparency.
Detective Chris Johns with the Jacksonville Beach Police Department testified during Shanna Gardner's bond hearing. Now, he spoke about text messages viewed from her phone between Gardner and a close friend, Kim Jensen, in which a hitman was discussed and another woman, Susan Lee, was mentioned. Now, this is a part of the exchange from that May hearing.
You never spoke to Susan Lee, did you?
I believe one of my colleagues did.
Okay. Are you aware that there are no interviews or statements in the discovery having to deal with law enforcement speaking to Susan Lee?
No.
So you're the lead detective in this case, and you have text messages where they're allegedly looking for a hitman, and they call and are texting someone. You got it right there, black and white, that they're texting a potential suitor for this hitman, and you never go and talk to the person who is the alleged person who they went to go looking for a hitman?
I believe at the time that we were trying to locate her, her phone number had changed and we didn't have a good address for her. So we were not able to contact her at the time during the messages.
Okay, but just a minute ago you said that you believe one of your fellow officers interviewed her. So now you can't find her?
So today, Baez said that after that hearing, he was contacted by a lawyer for Susan Lee, who said she did speak directly with Detective Johns and her phone number had not changed since 2014. Baez also questioned why a meeting between prosecutors, two detectives, and a critical witness in the case, Kim Jensen, was not recorded, and he says there are no reports on it. He says after the bond hearing, Jensen contacted his team to say her statements were misrepresented, and Baez says favorable statements were omitted. Now, we have reached out to the state attorney's office for a comment, and it says, quote, "We will respond to these spurious allegations in the appropriate venue, the courtroom, not the courthouse steps. We continue to abide by the ethical standards that govern all Florida attorneys regarding trial publicity." So with this filing, it leaves it now in the discretion of Judge London Kite on what to do next and how to proceed. Gardner's next scheduled court appearance is Tuesday morning. Katie Jeffries, First Coast News, on your side.